Voltage. Voltage here is one of my main villains for my comic book Four Elements. He is the master of lightning, and his arch nemesis is Submerge, the master of water. They kind of butt heads and stuff like that. Voltage pretty much killed his family to inherit their money, to inherit power, so he could save his city the right way. Almost like from Daredevil, right? Wilson Fisk kind of wants to save his city, but he does it in like a bad way. Voltage is similar to that, where he is going in a different direction than really saving his city, but he thinks he's doing the right thing. Once again, this is Voltage, my main villain in my comic book Four Elements. I have two designs I'm still working on. Let me know what you think. I have this one with the purple cape, and the last video I had, he has a red cape. Let me see if I can put that on for you guys right now to let me know which one you like, so I can incorporate it and make it into the whatever one my fans and the public like. This is him with the red cape. I'm not sure which one I like, but please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys. This is Frost. She controls ice. One of her main abilities that I really like is she makes like a permafrost of feathers or little icicles of like light ones as wings, so she can actually glide when she's falling down. It's one of the coolest features I think that she has besides everything else of controlling ice. I want to do something different than Frost from Killer Frost from The Flash and stuff. So I wanted it to be a little bit different. I wanted her to have different abilities of using stuff that you've never seen before. But again, she is a villain, but she's not quite a villain, which you'll find out later down the line. Sandstorm. Sandstorm, of course, controls sand. And one of the reasons why I incorporated him into the script is because I had a idea one day. I was laying in bed and I was like, okay, what other elements do I want? Like sand, but then I was sleeping, and when I woke up, I had like a daydream right afterwards. Like I woke up, when you're like that in between of waking up and still asleep. And I was like, what if Sandstorm creates a giant tunnel of sand and lightning strikes it, turning into ice to trap some people in it? So hopefully once I get the comic book out, you can see that come to life. This, everybody, is Magma, the master of lava. He pretty much became this way because he betrayed some people on a volcano and it erupted. Instead of saving them, he left them. But by doing so, he ends up dying anyways. And because I needed some villains for my Four Elements, which is fire, water, earth, and air, he became lava, and then his allies are going to be Sandstorm, Frost, and Voltage, and they come together to fight the Four Elements to establish dominance. But then there's something at the end, someone that controls them. Stay tuned, guys. These are the Four Elements of evil. You have Voltage right in here, Frost, lava or magma, and Sandstorm. These are the villains of fire, water, earth, and air. And what you don't know and what nobody knows yet, there's something more powerful than them, something more evil, something that might be controlling them.